Hi guys, it's Trix and today I'm playing on David Bed. I wanna play Mines. No. Not Mines. I wanna play Tower because for me, it's the best game on this side because you can win more than usual if you're playing Mines or I don't know, Dice. Yeah, okay, Crash and Tower is my two favorite ones. Okay, so let's put, I don't know, 1,000? Yeah, okay. Let's see how it's gonna be today. Let's put classic risk. Yeah, of course. So, my favorite technique that I'm playing in one line, I think if you're watching my videos every time, you can see that oh my god, it was very close to the luck. So if you're watching me like already some time, you know that I'm always playing with this technique because it works like perfectly. Oh my god, it was very close. I forgot what balance it was, like 2,000 I think. Yeah, so let's get a little bit more or maybe a lot more. Okay, I only started, so I think I'm gonna play with 3 diamonds too, something like that. I could do more, but that's okay. Shit. Okay. Oh no, my balance is getting lower. It's not good. Shit, why? Oh, I almost losing. No, let's do 2 and let's change my balance till 50. 500 I mean. Okay, let's see. Let's start with a 2 by 2 and maybe 3. Good. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. It's already the second time when it's like that, the whole line without locks. Really? And I'm not getting it. Doing only like 3. When it's like the whole line I can do. Shit. No. Why? I hate when it's like first or second because I only started. What I need to do? Like 1 diamond and that's all? Let's get cash out? No, I want to play more. Shit. Please, just... Okay, I can understand because my technique seems very hard because when you're playing like that in a one line, after a few games, this game starts to understand what you're doing again. Oh my god. So, and sometimes it gives you more locks than usual, but after you lose a few times, game will give you more like this. Like before you see it was like that, and right now it's like that without locks. So it gives you more, I don't know, luck or something like that when you're playing in the first line. Oh my god, next one is locked and I didn't press it. Thanks god, oh my god. So how you can see my balance is 4,000. And again, why did I play only with 2 diamonds? I'm just so scared to do this. Huh. Again! 2 times! Really? How? Okay, I know what I wanna do. I don't know. No, okay, I'm gonna get. I wanna try to do one thing. Oh my god. Maybe one more? Okay, let's do this. Oh my god. What if it's a time where there's no locks? I'm so scared to do this. No, I'm gonna cash out. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so good in this game. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, what I want to do now is put 10 in my bed. Yeah, right. Yeah, only 10 because I want to do this. I'm very scared to do this with a good balance, like 500 or 1000. So I'm gonna do this with 10 in my bed. Why not? I want to go until the end, and I think it's gonna work right now. And the last one, I hope there is a diamond. Cool. But yeah, of course it's not a lot, only 88 I got in plus, but you feel very cool. Like, you did a whole line. Almost crying. One day I will try to do this with a good bet. Maybe even 300. No, of course not. I'm gonna try to do this with a 2000 or one for first time. I don't know, but I think it's a very cool result. Look at my balance. I started with 2000 and right now is 7 with something. Oh my god, I think I should stop here with this beautiful line that I won without locks. So yeah, it was tricks. I wanna tell you that below I'm gonna leave the link to this game. If you wanna try to play with my technique, just do it and see how good it is working. I wanna leave the link below this video to this game because I really want you to try play with this technique because oh my god, it's perfect. How you can see, my balance is much bigger than I started with. So yeah, and also I'm gonna leave the link to my Telegram channel where we can chat, and also there's a lot of cool things that could help you to win more there here in this game. So I think it's gonna help you like a lot. And yeah, so it was Tricks. See you next time. Bye bye.